Hey guys, welcome back. This is a video on how you can install fonts on Windows 10, 11, and this will also work for older versions of Windows. So what you're going to want to do first is you want to go and get a font that you want to use. You can go to dafont.com, but other sites are available. This is just one that I use for all of my font needs. If you want to just pick something from the list here, I'm just going to use this Florist Relic font here. It'll download, and I've just extracted it already to the desktop here. But what you'll want to do is you'll want to unzip the file that it gives you. Now Windows 10 and 11 have a built-in tool to help you unzip the file. If you're using an older version of Windows, you can use a tool like WinRAR, which I'll leave a link for to download in the description down below. But you'll just want to right-click on the file and then extract here, and then that'll extract the font file. The next thing you want to do is you want to go down to the Start menu here and click on Start, and then type in Fonts, and then click Font Settings, and then it is just as simple as dragging and dropping the font into the fonts file. And there you have it. It's just that simple, and we're just going to test to make sure that that font has actually come through here. So yes, we understand that. So what was the name of that? It was Florist Relic. There it is right there. If this video helped you out, you can give me a like to show your support. If you have any feedback, criticisms, or anything, you can leave that in the comment section down below. And if you want to see more videos from me in the future, you can hit subscribe. Thank you.